What's up, folks? How's life? Oh, that's the biggest question mark. Especially when it comes to health and fitness. Let's see, people. What about teenage Raju? His mom's DNA may tell him to play sports, or his dad's gene may urge him to go for hard workout. Confusing on both, he takes his better off and turns. Are you guys also suffering like one of them? So what is the solution to your problems? Well, here comes the FAACTO. It gives the info by scanning your DNA by using nutrigenomics, which evaluate over 2000 genes. Begin your FAACTO journey today by choosing one of the 3 plans. FAACTO is for all ages and for all types of people without any restriction. Download the FAACTO app today for an advanced lifestyle.